Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle for today in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, April the 15th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 2-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary puzzle, and the last one will be a tectonic. I do not know the difficulty level, how many stars, do not know. We will see, but this one will be number 6281. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me see how many, 16. Yeah, 16 should be an easy one, because the hard one says always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. 16 should be an easy one. I think a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, because the single box is always a 1. Here only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here double boxes? No double boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then, let me check. For triple boxes, only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Quadrat boxes then, I see here a quadrat box in an L shape. When you see a quadrat box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is box, the inside box is always a 5. It contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Okay, those numbers I cannot fill this yet. And here we have also a quadrat box. I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. My next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kinds of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, and it's connected with that box, should be also 1. Okay, so this box, same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. Nope, only one shape, figure, structure, or constructions, whatever you name it. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Okay, more L shapes here. Another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, I overlooked this quadrat box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you need to recognize only 4 shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes are left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Then well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or 2, but we already have a 1 there, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And this box is also connected with that box. So it's a 1 or a 4. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Then this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay, here also 2 and the 3 are left. Alright. Then this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1 and a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3, okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Come on. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That means that box can also not be a 2. Otherwise, if I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So this box should be definitely 3, and that box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so the 3 could be there. That means that box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3, we have a 3 there. So this box should be a 3. This box can be 3 anymore. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. These 2, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Need that number here. Okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be there, and the 3 goes here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, so this can be 1. That box should be 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. This box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 3, 2 numbers left, the 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finishing 13 minutes. Yes, faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.